Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, time for our daily olive update. So I wanted to let you know that we are up to $10,493. Yay, you guys. And another wonderful person to thank, and that is Rodney. Thank you so much, Rodney. Again, you guys, we have a mysterious benefactor who is matching funds until New Year's Day. So if you have a mad itch to donate to something really worthwhile, check out our GoFundMe. The link is down below, and make a little sweet donation to our adorable little olive mill. And then come see it. You need to come see it. If you're going to make a donation, you really need to come see the mill when it's done and be there for the grand opening. So again, thank you guys for all your donations. Again, if I miss saying thank you to you, please let me know because I want to make sure I thank you personally. Okay, take care, guys.